Not much explanation needed for this video. Get your last good look at my LEGO Urbana MOC before I throw it off this 25-foot balcony. But before you watch this epic montage, make sure you check out my newest brick film, Urbana, a LEGO Star Wars story, by clicking the link in the description or the card above. Now, without further ado, let's destroy some LEGO.
Here's the carnage of what was Urbana. I kind of missed the blue X. That's a little to be expected, but you know, there were some large chunks. It kind of landed on the side where the bridge spires were. So as you can see, that totally got shattered. There's some smaller chunks near the top that stayed intact. This stayed surprisingly intact, and I haven't seen any broken pieces as of yet. The only casualty is this foul first clone trooper lost his hand. No idea where that went, but I'd say this was a successful drop test.